पिला माने आज आमे की कंजक्शन इंग्लिश ग्रामर बही रे तुमर अछि की कंजक्शन से कंजक्शन विषय प्रश्न उत्तर करिबा। ओपन योर इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक पेज नंबर 35 chapter the conjunction. Pick out conjunctions from the following sentences. Exercise number 1. Pick out conjunction from the following sentences. निम्नलिखित जते वाक्य देखिए कि वाक्य में conjunction ताको pick out करियो ना चिन्हैबो। He is neither a teacher. He is neither a teacher nor a doctor. In this sentence, which one is the conjunction? Neither nor. Here conjunction is neither nor. Because he is a teacher is a sentence. He is a doctor is a sentence. Neither dash nor combines these two sentences without changing any meaning. So neither nor is a linking word. So it is a conjunction. Then question number 2. He may go either to Delhi or to Ambala. He may go either to Delhi, either से दिल्ली जाई पारे किंबा अंबाला जाई पारे. Which one is the conjunction? Either or. Question number 3. Ramu is poor, yet he is honest. Yet is the conjunction. Understand? Question number 4 is he is both rich and kind. He is both rich and kind. Which one is the conjunction? Both dash and. Then question number 5 is Abdul and Naveen are my class fellows. Abdul and Naveen and is the conjunction. Next is he said that he was tired. He said that he was tired. That. Which one is the conjunction? That. He is not only proud but also mean. He is not only proud but also mean. Not only but also. Not only but also. Okay. He failed because he did not work hard. Because. Which one is the conjunction? Because. Then question number 2 is join these sentences by using and. Using and. Arun came to my house. Anil came to my house. Arun भी आम घर को आसिला. Anil भी आम स्कूल को क्लास को घर को आसिला. आमे कोन करे सेटा को जॉइन कर देबा by using the conjunction with the help of conjunction. Arun and Anil came to my house. Okay. Question number 2. She can read English. She can write English. She can read and write English. Question number 3 is Misha is young. Misha is beautiful. Misha is young and beautiful. Okay. Question number 4 is Anita is intelligent. Anita is hardworking. Anita is intelligent and hardworking. Okay. Then last one is the carpenter makes tables. He makes chairs. The carpenter makes tables and chairs. Okay. Then comes to question number 3. This is join two sentences using not only but also. Not only और but also लगे कि आमे कौन करिबा ना join करिबा दीटा वाक्य को जेमिति आमे एठी कहिले not only but also is the linking word. So she is tall, she is beautiful. She is tall, she is beautiful. Not only she is tall, but also beautiful. But also beautiful. केवल से डेंगाता में से सुंदर मध्य. Second is Richa is tired, Richa is hungry. Not only Richa tired, but also she is hungry. But also hungry. Abdul is mischievous, he is cruel. Not only Abdul is mischievous, but also cruel. Mr. Kamal has a house, he has a factory. Mr. Kamal, not only Mr. Kamal has a house, but also a factory. He lost his watch, he lost his money. Not only he lost his watch, but also his money. Okay? Then, turn the page number 36. Question number 4. Join the sentences using but. दिटा contradictory वाक्य चलता है but लगे कि join करो कौन मोहन can come early, Babita cannot come early. Mohan can come early, but Babita cannot come early. ये आसिला सेकंड तो आसिला नहीं ये तो दिटा contradictory sentence होगा हमें ताको but लगे कि join करो. She went Agra, but she did not see the Taj. I know Anju, but I don't know Misha. Today is very hot, but yesterday was not so hot. The monkey has a long tail, but the elephant has a short tail. Okay? Then, question number 5 is, join the sentences by using because. You should start early, it is long distance. I mean, the question is, kahingi tame shigra asibo na kahingi asibo na because it is long distance. Say that you should start early because it is a long distance. Okay? Semti dekho, 2 number dekhi, I will help him, he is my friend. I will help him because he is my friend. All the teachers love him because he is very obedient. You will fail in the examination because you want to work hard. I trust him because he is honest. Ruchi is weeping because he has failed again. Okay? एवढा का तमे ग्रामर खातारे करिकी मते पठेइबो.